Do you want to learn how to make passive income as a teenager in 2023? Well, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you all how to get six-figure money in your account at any age. So let's get right into this video. First, go to this website called stakecut.com. If you're a new user, click sign up. Old user, log in. Once logged in, you'll be on this page. As you can see, I have $0 in my account. Now, from this dashboard page, all you need to do is click on Marketplace. Here at Marketplace, you can see there are a lot of things for you to promote. Now, just choose one and click Promote. Now, this is the owner of these sales. Now, once you help him sell from him, if you help him gain customers to buy this, you earn 50% of the commission, and that's actually amazing. So you earn like $25. Pretty good. Check it out. Bye.